If you watched any of our previous videos, you know that we bought this old house some time ago. When you buy an old house to renovate, they come with all sorts of unknowns. One of the big unknowns in this house was the condition of the drain lines. And we really didn't know when we bought it. Well, a while ago we were digging a French drain on the side of the house. We found this old clay drain pipe and it had a bend in it covered in concrete. Well, part of that concrete covering came off and I stuck my phone in the drain line, and sure enough, it's a quarter full of waste. That began to get us thinking about what's really the problem here. What are we facing? Having your drain line scoped is a pretty expensive process. Easily $300, and you can go all the way up to $500 or $600. And that's something that we don't want to just do on a whim. So my son had an issue at his house, and so he devised a way to put together a drain snake and a camera that you just buy off of Amazon. And we'll have links in the description below if you want to see any of these.
All right, so this is just this homemade camera system is just made up of a like a cheaper drain snake that you can get at any hardware store, and it's just, you know, like a little small 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch coiled manual snake. And this is a camera that I got on Amazon for like $30, and I just electrical tape tied it every foot or so, and you can just see what's actually going on inside of your drain.
And what'd you do on the end there?
All right, so in order to keep the camera positioned in the center of the pipe, or more or less in the center of the pipe, we just tied or crumpled up a bunch of aluminum foil and then duct taped that all together, so that way when it's going along the pipe, you can kind of have the camera rested above, so you're not just getting, you know, the floor of the pipe. You can actually see the whole interior. Cool. All right, again, this is just like a little $30 drains, you know, it's like, I think it's like a 30-foot. It's a rechargeable battery, and it just kind of wirelessly transmits the video feed to your phone. Yeah, it's really nifty, really handy. I think that mechanics use something like this in their cars to see inside their engine blocks and stuff. But
it was a pretty inexpensive way of building your own drain snake camera and diagnosing the issue. So here you can see we put the drain snake camera into the lines, and it worked like a champ. And we found quite a few things out. One, that cracked drainage pipe, you know, that first drainage pipe that I was talking about, that wasn't actually the active drain line for this house. The one we found goes in the opposite direction. We also found out that this one has been epoxy lined, which is a pretty expensive process, but it helps keep root intrusion out of your pipe. Gives the pipe a bit of renewed finish on the inside. So that was really good news to find out. When we put the camera down the pipe, we found the drain clean out. We also found out we had no drain blockage, which was really good news. So with just a few simple, inexpensive items, we were able to diagnose our own plumbing issues, found out we had a bit of good news on this old house that we've been working on, and we're ready to go to the next step. Hope this video helps. If you got anything out of it, give us a thumbs up. We always appreciate that. Don't forget to subscribe. We have videos coming out once or twice a week at least. If you subscribe and ring that bell, you'll be sure and get notifications of those videos when they come out. We'll see you in the next video. But if you notice, yes, it's not even connected.
Well, they came close.
Yeah, that was a ballpark shot.